are the elevators at the Allies Garage in downtown Pittsburgh. These used to be Westy black buttons, but were modded. Wasn't planning on filming here, but I was in the area, and now all the office buildings are closing, so it's like, figured I'd just come here since I'm here, just for content, I guess. This isn't a terrible mod. I do know the old Westies are getting really hard to get parts for, but it's still very unfortunate. Here we are in the basement. Alright. Let's go to one and all get off there.